It is unfortunate, actually, that the resignation will bring the inquiry under the Judges Inquiry Act to a halt, because it is at that inquiry that the nation would have got an opportunity to get to know what were the true facts of the case. Uh, I actually think this is one lacuna in the way the law functions, and in my opinion, notwithstanding the resignation, the inquiry should go on because it's a fact finding inquiry at the end of the day. As far as his resignation is concerned, as soon as it is accepted, he will cease to be a judge of the High Court. Now, on the consequence of that, when a person ceases to be a judge of the High Court, he can be prosecuted because they lose the immunity which attaches to the office of a judge. Now, whether he will be prosecuted or not is not something I can say. It will depend upon the decision of those who take policy decisions in this matter.
So, do you mean the police should take a proactive step and go ahead with the investigation?
If they do it, they will be within the four corners of the law. The law does not stop them from taking action. They no longer need the consent of the Chief Justice of India or of anyone else to commence a prosecution because he loses his immunity as a judge, which attaches to the office of a judge.
Ma'am, the matter is pending before the inquiry committee and he has sent a letter saying that he's withdrawing from the proceedings. So what happens now? What should the committee do?
I think the best course of action will be to wait and see whether the resignation is being accepted, because the acceptance has to be by the president. Because it's only when the resignation is accepted that the person ceases to be a judge. So that is, in all probability, what they will do. But unfortunately, there is precedent for the situation that when a judge, in the midst of an inquiry under the Act, actually resigns and the resignation is accepted, the inquiry is dropped. So that is the most likely thing which will happen in the coming few days.